There we go. Where are we at, 50?
We're losing pressure.
Probably. The pipes are expanding.
Alright. Get on the firing line with your little cock protector.
Alright, come on.
Cheater.
I haven't had one yet. Can I stand back farther?
Nope.
Stand right there.
Ready?
No. Ready?
Remember all that shit he said to you, Spider? Oh! Oh, what do we got? Oh,
That'll Bruce.
It'll go.
that's nice.
Because you guys got in the meat. I got it with ribs below it. That's going to be purple.
Ah, the crazy shit.
Good shot.